Hi, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can control your audio quality settings in your Spotify application. So for that you need to come into your Spotify application, then you need to click on your settings, then you need to scroll down and come to audio quality. So here you can see our audio quality option, then you can select, you have many options there for audio quality. So you can select Wi-Fi streaming to automatic or even high quality, low quality, or anything you want to select. Okay, in your cellular data you can select quality as well. Auto adjust, you have auto adjust option, download using cellular. If you want to download your audio using cellular or data, you can just turn it on. You have an equalizer option, you can just turn it on and turn it off even. You have video quality option even here, so you can select there as well. Okay,